In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a portfolio in Wix. First, open Wix and log in to your account. Once you are in, click Create New Site, and then choose Wix Editor. At one point, Wix may ask whether you want to build the site with AI chat or continue without it. For this tutorial, go ahead and skip that option and select Portfolio instead. Then click Continue, and continue again until you reach your dashboard. From there, click Design Site. This will open the template section. Choosing Pick a Template gives you the most control. And it's usually the fastest option for beginners because you can start with a polished layout and simply customize it. Browse through the portfolio and CV template categories and take a little time to explore. You can hover over any template and click View to preview the layout or click Edit if you are ready to start working with it. Try to choose a template that already matches the general style you want, especially in terms of colors, fonts, and gallery layout, because that will save you time later. Once the editor opens, go to the left-hand menu and click Add Apps. In the search bar, type Wix Portfolio, then click Add to Site. Give it a few seconds to install. After that, head over to the Pages and Menu section, find the Portfolio page and select Portfolio. Then click on the app element on your screen and choose Manage Projects. Inside the project dashboard, click Create New Project. Now you can start building out your work. Add a clear project title and a short description. If you want, Wix can help generate descriptions for your work, which can be useful if you want a strong starting point. You can also add important details like the project type, date, and location. After that, upload high-quality images, videos, or case studies. The Portfolio app will automatically organize these into attractive project grids, which helps your site look clean and professional. Next, customize the overall look of your site. Go into the design settings to set your brand colors and fonts globally. This is a great time saver, because those choices will apply across the entire portfolio. You can also use the drag and drop editor to move text boxes, buttons, and backgrounds exactly where you want them. Make sure you personalize the About Me page so visitors can learn more about you and your story. Also, add a contact form so potential clients or collaborators can easily reach out. Before publishing, switch to mobile view using the icon at the top of the editor and check that everything looks great on phones. Finally, click Publish in the top right corner. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.